false that you don't want to be the one.
War Crimes Court prosecutor Moreno Ocampo retires in June this year with a satisfying send-off package. ICC pre-trial judges committed to trial 4 of the 6 Kenyan suspects he presented before the court in the only cases he brought on his own volition. A day after the judge's decision that refused to confirm charges against Tinderet MP Henry Kosgey and former police boss Hussein Ali, Moreno Ocampo says he will not appeal against the decision, but rather conduct fresh probe with intent of pressing fresh charges, as well as reassess evidence of police complicity in Kibera and Kisumu.
The reason not to confirm the charge against Mr. Kosgey was because we just have one witness, and the judge considered one witness is not enough. So we'll keep investigating this. And in the case of Mr. Ali, the judges considered that it was not proved that the police gave a free zone in the cities. And we believe that happened, so we'll keep investigating that. And in the same way, we'll keep investigating what happened in Kibera and Kisumu, where allegedly members of the police were shooting civilians.
Moreno Ocampo suspects Ali of creating a free zone for perpetrators to conduct revenge attacks in Nakuru and Naivasha, while Kosgey is suspected of being a co-perpetrator in planning senseless killings in the Rift Valley. The accused are already saying they will immediately seek permission to appeal against the pre-trial chamber judge's decision. Moreno Ocampo says as much as it is their legal right, any appeals will defer the conclusion of the Kenyan cases for at least 3 years.
In the meantime, my lawyers and I will take necessary steps to ensure that justice is served expeditiously.
It's still a journey, a long journey probably, but it's not just judiciary, because I think it's important what happened with the 4 individuals, but even more important how the Kenyans managed this year the electoral process. That's why in some way the ball will be a little in the court, but a lot in Kenya.
With a possible trial, the prosecutor says his office is consolidating its case, allaying fears that the accused may be detained, saying that as long as they abide by the judge's condition, they enjoy their liberty. The ICC prosecutor has urged the government to protect victims of post-election violence and not wait for a conviction.
It's basically Kenyan responsibility to protect its own citizens.
The prosecutor refused to be drawn on Eldoret North Member of Parliament William Ruto and Deputy Prime Minister Uhuru Kenyatta's presidential quest. He said the decision lies solely with Kenyans.
Up to the Kenyans to decide. No, I have no mandate to be involved in the national decisions. This is a national issue. That's the point. We have a mandate to investigate crimes against humanity. These crimes affect humanity. Who run in Kenya, how they do it, is a Kenyan issue. They should decide.
Despite being let off the hook and Ocampo saying he will not appeal against Kosgey and Ali, the two remain under active investigations at the ICC. But for the accused, this is not punishment. Punishment will only occur with a possible conviction. Sam Ogina, KTN, Nairobi.